Hello, welcome back to Code Box Automation Lab. So in this tutorial we're going to see right join in SQL. In our previous last tutorial we have seen the left join, and now we're going to see the right join or right outer join. So what is right join? Right join is similar to left join. The join returns all the rows of the table of the right side and the matching rows of the table from the left side. The rows for which in the left side is not matching or are not matching, it will set as a null value. Okay, so right join is also known as right outer join. So it's a very simple concept. If you understand the left join, so you will understand the similar. It's just opposite of the left join. The right join is the opposite of the left join. It means it will retrieve all the data from the right join. So from the right table. Right table is the high priority, and the matching record or rows from the left join. And the rows are not matching from the left table. This one is it will update as a null value. Okay, and the syntax is same like the left join, like select table 1 column, then table 1 column or table 2 column from the table 1, right join, then table 2, and on the matching columns between the two table. Right, let's see we can do in our between two table. If you see my last tutorial, you know that like we have a two table. One is called student, another one is called student course table. Okay, and both of them have a matching column. It's called the roll number. Okay, let me show you once again. Here is we have a two table we created. This is the graph, like this is the student. It has lots of columns like roll number, name, address, phone, age, and also the student course. That's the table. It has a two column only, course ID and roll number, and both of them have a matching column. It's called the roll number. But you can see in a roll number the first 5 rows are matching. The values are records are matching. You can see 1 to 5, and there is a 1 to 5 here, 6 7 8 here, 9 10 11. So last 3 is not matching. So when you use the right join, whatever it means this table, right, our priority would be student course. So it will show all the records, whatever the column will select from the right table, all the records. So example, if we select the column from the right table, course ID, it will show all the records from the right table for the course ID, and from the left table, whatever the column will select, it will show only top 5, which is match, like top 5 between the matching column. Matching column between the two table is roll number, is matching column is 5. So up to 5, if we select rows, it will if we select name, it will shows the top, the first 5, and the rest of them will show as a null, because on the left table, the 6 7 8, these 3 rows is not matching with my with our right tables, right? So let's do it. So let's copy the code from our previous, from left join. So we'll just change over here. We'll say right. So we say select student name, and so we'll get the just name. We'll get all the students' name and student course and the course ID from the student course. So here is my table 1. It's a left is student, it's from a student, and the right join is the second one is student course. So this is my the right one, and this is the matching one, student dot roll number equals to student course dot roll number. So since this is a right join, okay, let's run it and I can explain you again. as I said, since this is the right join, so right join, it means it will give the high priority. The priority would be the right table. So in the right table is the student course, and it has the column is course ID, so it will retrieve all the data from the course ID column. Okay, you can see the course ID column, it's got all the records. Let's see the diagram. The course ID column have all the records like 1 2 2 3 1 4 5. You can see all the records it shows from the course ID, and from the left table it shows only the top 5, because the matching records between two table, it's up to the 5 row. So up to the 5 row, so it will show the records. So whatever the column we select from the left table will show the matching one. So 1 2 3 4 5, up to 5, you can see Shaptarihi is the up to matching, and the rest of the 3 it shows the null, because 6 7 8 is not matching with the left the column in our right table. Okay, so that's all for the the right join. It's pretty much straightforward, same concept. Like if you understand the left join, right join is exactly the same, just the opposite. Okay, thank you so much, and I will see you in our next lecture about the full join. Okay, which is inner left and right all together is called full join. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you next tutor. Bye.